with accounting accidentally. This video is called Halloween Candy, Target Profit and Margin Safety. Okay, as I record this, it's Halloween week. So here is a list from realsimple.com of top Halloween candies. It says, according to a national survey, 50% of Americans will eat Halloween candy this year. 45% will buy a candy specifically for trick-or-treaters. So the top five: Reese's, which is my favorite, M&M's, Snickers, peanut M&Ms, and Twix. So for this example, I'm going to assume a snack-sized Reese's peanut butter cup, $1.79. That's what I'm going to use for an example. Target of profit and margin of safety. So to start with this, target profit adjusts the break-even formula because you add a specific profit to the formula. You've probably seen this formula in my prior videos. Profit equals sale price times units sold less variable cost times units sold in red less fixed costs. But in this case, we're taking the formula and we're setting a target profit. So I'm going to assume that target profit is $730,000. Sale price $479 we saw in the prior slides. Variable cost $3 a unit. Fixed cost $2,850,000 a unit. Units sold 2 million. So all those numbers, we can look at the formula. Price times units sold, variable cost times units sold, fixed costs don't change. We add it all up. We get a target profit of $730,000. And all these variables can be changed to get us to our target profit. We can make a higher or lower sale price, a higher or lower variable cost. What if the fixed costs were different? We can manipulate and change these variables and see how it would affect our target profit. Margin of safety is the difference between actual sales and break-even sales. So let's say, for example, in purple that we planned on 2 million units sold, but we only sell 1,592,000. What you can see is everything else being the same. This lower sales number, everything else being the same, gets us real close to a break-even point. I'm going to change that to break-even. It's a $300,000, but we're really close. So what does this mean? If we have actual sales of this amount, everything else being the same, we're going to be closer to break even. So we have a margin of safety, difference between actual sales and break-even sales of 2 million, our actual sales, less, I'm going to call this break even because we're close. That means that we can sales can drop about 408,000 units, and we're still going to be at break even right around there. So our margin of safety is 408,000 units, which is the difference between our actual sales of 2 million and our break-even sales are close to it of 1,592,000. So that's your cushion of your margin of safety. So the takeaway here is that you can take the break-even formula, set a profit amount, determine your target profit, and then you can look at your sales, actual sales, less break-even sales to figure out your margin of safety. And you can do all this using the same basic formula.